Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Eagle Fly. Today I'm going to provide you two new promo codes for Nike.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload any video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel Eagle Fly, I upload promo codes for so much other companies. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so much other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. Today I have two new promo codes for you. The code number 1 I'm going to provide you is APP20. Yeah, this is the code number 1. Simply redeem this code and get anniversary sale 20% off select items in apps. So this is the code number 1. Simply redeem this code and get your rewards. Now I'm moving towards code number 2. The code number 2 I'm going to provide you is SAVE4, yeah, then 0. This is the code number 2. Simply redeem this code and get your reward. So these were the only available valid code right now. So redeem this code and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks.